Hi there, students. In this video I wanted to look at the adjective edgy, and I guess you have the adverb edgily. Okay, we use edgy in two different ways. I think the most common is to describe somebody when they're nervous. So he seemed very edgy and unable to relax. And this comes from the idea that somebody is on edge. If somebody's on edge, they're edgy, they're nervous, they're worried. And I think this is the most common meaning. But also, if something is edgy, maybe it's a little bit racy, it's interesting, it's cutting edge, it's unusual, it's fashionable, it's exciting. The music he produces today is much more edgy than it used to be, more exciting, more interesting. And this comes from the phrase the cutting edge, to be at the cutting edge. So if something's edgy, it's at the cutting edge. And these are the two meanings that I would use for edgy. He told some rather edgy jokes, maybe unusual, fashionable, risque. His style is a bit edgier than it used to be. The art that he creates today is much edgier than it used to be. He generally is a good bloke, but he has an edgier, dark side to him. So edgy. I feel rather edgy at the moment. We were rather edgy about this contract. Nervous, irritable. Yeah. Let's see. If you try to give up smoking, you are normally edgy for 2 or 3 weeks before it goes away. Okay, somebody could have an edgy wit, sharp, cutting, because it's got a cutting edge. Something that's edgy is daring, trend-setting, provocative, edgy photographs, an edgy style. Okay, things that are at the cutting edge. In internet slang, they use this adjective edgy, where you're trying to something that's alarming, disconcerting, trying to impress other people. Okay, so edgy, yeah. But primarily, if you're edgy, you're tense, you're nervous, you're irritable, you're on edge, you're highly strung, you're anxious. Yeah, but something edgy, something in the vanguard of a trend, very avant-garde, something at the forefront. So he has some very edgy ideas. Yeah, these are ideas at the cutting edge. Bold, provocative, maybe slightly unconventional. I guess we could have the edginess of something as well. I'm now trying to think of edgily as an adverb. So he laughed edgily, nervously. He paints much more edgily, cutting edge, than he used to. Okay, so you could use it both ways. So edgy, irritable, on edge. Yeah, well, edgy, having sharp edges, or innovative, daring, unconventional. Yeah, so he has a very edgy style of dressing. Formality, edgy. I think I'm going to give it a 4 in formality. Use it informally. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, but stop there. Don't use it very formally. Okay, so edgy, yeah? And these two meanings. If somebody's on edge, they're nervous, they're worried. And if something's cutting edge, it's the latest. Yeah? I guess edgy as well, cutting, sharp-edged. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye. bye for now. Edgy.